The Indonesian government is once again injecting state equity participation into Garuda Indonesia in the amount of 7.5 trillion rupiah. The investment will be directed towards adding more airplanes to double the amount of aircraft units at Indonesia's national airliner. According to the Minister of State-Owned Enterprises, the decision to inject state capital to Garuda was made 1.5 years ago before the COVID-19 pandemic. It's only being realized now because the momentum is finally right in order to achieve a more optimal debt restructuring agreement and improve the company's recovery. And according to Minister Thohir, after Garuda is done with the suspension of debt payment obligations, they will double their airplane units from 61 units to 120 units by the end of the year. Minister Thohir is hoping that by increasing the airplane units for Garuda and CityLink, they can lower the flight ticket prices for domestic flights.
Selesai daripada PKPU keputusan, pemerintah akan kembali membantu PMN sebesar 7,5 triliun yang sebenarnya sudah diputuskan hampir 1,5 tahun lalu sebelum waktu itu kondisi COVID terjadi. Nah, tetapi inilah momentum yang baik saya rasa, tentu bagaimana sekarang recovery COVID sudah terjadi, pertumbuhan ekonomi kita sudah di 5,44, makanya tadi kita sampaikan ke Bapak Presiden dan para menteri yang hadir, Garuda setelah restrukturisasi PKPU ini akan mulai menambah jumlah pesawatnya kembali, di mana yang sekarang Garuda dan CityLink jumlahnya hanya 61, di akhir tahun akan mencapai angka 120. Nah, keseimbangan ini yang kita harapkan juga bisa memperbaiki